Hello everyone, this is Chidbay from Megathonic. Today I'm going to discuss about the one of the electrical issue which we generally cannot find out. It's a simple thing. When the problem is very minute or minor, you can't see if things are not visible. So you have to go according to thumb rule, of course, and some of the checkpoints sometimes it may happen randomly or maybe based on permutation combination or maybe based on your experience. So when the problem is major, you can find out easily. So for example, if the tire is deflated or if you have a punctured tire, so of course you can see it's visible. So but sometimes some of the problems are not visible. Sometimes you cannot find out on the gauge or tool or whatever the things, electronics, whatever you use, you can't find out. So you have to use your experience and the skill. So this is regarding the electrical issue. So let's just check out the video and I hope you will enjoy the video. And yeah, most important thing, happy Diwali to all of you.
I just kept some resin on the fuel tank to make it dark. So as you can see, spark. This is a spark which is jumping around when I started the bike, and I was unable to find out the problem because it was not. It was quite intermittent. It was not constant. So this was a very minor problem. I was trying to hunt, but then later on I understood something is not good. So I started checking around, as per the thumb rule, whether the spark is proper or not. Then I found the cap is leaking current at high RPM, not at low RPM. As you can see, it was jumping around some time back. Now, just in case if you are not able to do any darkness, then what you can do is, like, I'll show you another idea. This is the idea, is just keep one screwdriver near to the spark plug. So when you start the bike, then you start jumping around over there. Just be careful with it. You should not get electrocuted because it's a bare screwdriver. So just in case if you touch the rod, then you get electrocuted. Spark is jumping around. So this causes hiccups, fluttering problem, or very poor performance at high speeds. Very tiny current, what you can see, but it's very important because if you don't solve the problem, then bike will be very bad performance. So it has to be sorted out. You can see the current is jumping around a lot. Whenever I'm revving, it's jumping around. So this is the main problem that I want to show you guys. Even if there is a suppressor cap, you will be having same problem. So remedy to this problem is that you'll have to change the spark plug caps. If your bike is twin spark, then definitely you'll have to change, or before that you'll have to check whether both the plug caps are leaking. If it is single, then you can change single, or else you can change both the spark plug caps. If your bike is single cylinder, then of course you'll have to check the spark plug cap and you'll have to change only one cap. To support the channel, you can donate to the given link which is in the description, and you can have some more videos.
So guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed and you have understood the problem, and I'm definitely sure that you guys will do such kind of a remedy when you're going to face this problem. But of course you have to be very much careful. Don't get electrocuted because the voltage and the current is very high at that point. So you have to be very careful when you're working on the such kind of spare. So be careful with it and stay safe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.